Hey everyone, welcome back to another Windows 10 tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through a quick and easy process on how to hide your Windows 10 taskbar. You know, that strip at the bottom of your screen displaying the clock, date, and various icons. Now, hiding the taskbar can be a great way to maximize your screen real estate when you're not actively using it. So, let's dive right into the tutorial. Start by right-clicking on the taskbar itself. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Taskbar Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find the option to automatically hide the taskbar. When enabled, you'll notice the taskbar smoothly sliding out of view. If you ever need it back, simply hover your mouse at the bottom of the screen, and it'll reappear. But that's not all. If you prefer to keep the taskbar visible but want to save some space, you can opt for a smaller taskbar size. Just select the Use Small Taskbar Buttons option, and you'll see a more compact version, providing you with a bit of extra room on your display. And there you have it, a quick and handy way to customize your Windows 10 experience by hiding or resizing the taskbar. If you have any questions or thoughts about this tutorial, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to get back to you. If you're hungry for more Windows 10 tips and tricks, check out the link in the description for additional tutorials. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.